yeah, these how the barrels look in Georgia. I don't know how they is or how they are in other places, but I got these from Home Depot. About a little over $4 a barrel. I know they used to be like a square look a long time ago, but I guess now they're in this round looking oval shape now. That's how I look before we do that little nice and tuck on both sides. Alright, y'all, here it is. That's it. Laying nice and tucked. And what I used was the Ego battery. Still got juice. Still got juice. Y'all see me keep looking up, it's a spider web up there, so I ain't trying to get bit by no spider. So there it is. Thing look good. Nice and tucked. All the way around. Nice and tucked. Alright, appreciate it. In case you wanna know how much that was, I only charged $50 for that. It only took me 20 minutes, so hey, Pine Straws and Stalls, that's where the money at, y'all. Peace.